Started from the ground, chasing every dream. Caro G in the spotlight, building up the team. Life of business, never slowing down, turning every hustle into a crown. Every late night, every sacrifice, every risk taking, rolling the dice. From the struggle to the fame, it's clear. The life of business brought me here. Caro G, life of business, living bold, no limits, no witness, breaking chains, rewriting the rules. Success is the fire, I'm lighting the fuse.